Use the custom cover feature to add in any of Omnium's research-only products to the premium result, and you manually enter in the premium. To add a client's existing policy to compare, tick Existing Cover. Search for the insurer you want to add. Choose the PDS date of the cover you want to compare, then choose which products to compare. Enter the annual premium and stamp duty currently paid by the client. The policy will be added to the premiums results list alongside the new business quotes. The asterisk to show the premium was user-entered and not calculated by our engine. You can edit the custom cover by clicking on the premium. You can also add in premiums for policies that Omnium has research for but not premiums, such as Novelope. Simply choose the policy in the custom cover scene and enter in the premium from the Insurer Quote tool. You can generate reports using the custom enters policy and compare with another, using the summary or features gained and lost report. If you chose the custom policy as existing cover, it will automatically fill into the existing cover option. Here is the features gained and lost report with the existing cover. You can also choose the custom cover and other new business policies to compare in the research component. Look at scores, PDS feature text, and generate reports from the research.